Hi everyone. I just wanted to show this wig off that I just got from Sam's Beauty. This is What Lace Sensational Cloud 9. The color is Balayage Mocha. The name of the wig is Glenna. And I am so feeling this wig. This is really, really nice. I love the highlights. I thought that the highlights were probably a little bit too light for me, but now that I put it on, it's not that bad. But let me tell you what I did. While I was spraying the lace, some of the tint got on the highlighted part, and it changed it to like a brownish, reddish, and I wasn't mad at it at all. So you could see like right in there, right there, it has a little bit. And so I put a little bit on the other side as well. I also cut some bangs in this wig. So yeah, I did that. And I also cut the wig some. It was just a little bit too long for me. So I cut it down some. But other than that, love this wig. I suggest you try it. Yeah. I've seen it in all the other colors. I've seen it in the ash, the light ash, wasn't it light ash brown? Yeah, light ash brown. Way too light for me. So yeah, I couldn't do it. I had to give that wig away. Anyway, I like it. Try it. It's really nice. Tell me what you think. Bye.